Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to reset your camera settings back to their original defaults. So the first thing we need to do is click on the settings app on your iPhone and then scroll down to camera and select this. Then from here, if you click on preserve settings, you want to make sure all these options are toggled off like so. Now what this is going to do for you is the next time you open your camera app, it's not going to pull up any of your saved settings and it's going to open the camera app like it's the first time opening the application. So this is one way to reset the camera settings back to their original defaults. However, there are a couple of settings in the camera like the aperture and a couple other settings that won't be reset just by turning off preserve settings. So if you want to go ahead and make sure everything's turned back to their factory defaults, then there is really only one way we can do this, and that's to head back over to the settings menu, click on general, and then scroll down to transfer or reset iPhone. Click on reset right at the bottom, click on reset all settings, and then go ahead and enter your passcode to reset your settings. Now just bear in mind this will also reset all of your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connections, so you will need to also set these up again, but this will take your camera settings back to their original defaults. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.